Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure you have the right account and access. Sign in as an administrator or parent, then add the child or secondary user to your family group. Open Windows settings Right Arrow Accounts, Right Arrow Family and other users, or on Mac OS go to System Settings Right Arrow Screen Time. Once done, confirm the device is online so limits sync across devices. This lets you impose consistent rules and ensures you can manage screen time remotely without redoing setup later. Now you configure the actual restrictions. In screen time, choose downtime or daily limit and pick exact hours and minutes for allowed use. This controls total device access. Next, create app limits by category or by specific app so essential apps remain available while social apps are restricted. Make sure to set always allowed exceptions for phone calls or homework tools. Also enable content and privacy restrictions to block inappropriate content. These layered controls give you both broad limits and finish by applying settings and verifying they take effect on the target account. Try opening a blocked app to confirm. Then monitor the weekly usage reports to see which apps consume time and adjust limits accordingly. If limits don't apply, make sure the family account is synced and both devices have the latest OS updates. Sign out and back in, or restart the device to force policy refresh. If problems persist, remove and re-add the child account, or reinstall the management profile to resolve stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.